beautiful sweet friends, how you doing today? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another video. Hey! Hello, my amazing viewers and subscribers. Today I want to take this time, guys, to give a huge shout out to every single one of you guys. Whether you're here, guys, whether you're a subscriber who's been here from the beginning, or whether you're someone who's just recently joined, or if you are a returning viewer coming back for more, this message is for you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much for supporting me on my journey, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for supporting me on this journey. To my returning viewers, I see you, my returning viewers. Your continued interest in my channel means the world to me, guys. It means so much to me. Whether you've been here and you've watched a handful of my videos or you come back regularly, your presence is deeply appreciated. Thank you so much. You are a big part, a huge part of what keeps this channel alive, so thank you. Every view, every click tells me that something about what I create resonates with you. It tells me that, and I say thank you. And that's an honor that I don't take lightly. That's an honor that I don't take lightly. That's an honor that I do not take for granted. So thank you. I love you so much. Thank you. To my subscribers, you are the heartbeat of this channel, guys. Every time you hit that subscribe button, it's like giving me a vote of confidence. Thank you, guys. It inspires me to keep going. Your likes, your comments, and your shares not only help the channel to grow, it not only helps me to grow, but it also helps me to create a sense of community that I'm so proud to be a part of, guys. I love you all and I appreciate you all so much. You are the best. Some of you have been here since day one and others have joined along the way. Whether you've been here for years, guys, or for days, I want you to know, guys, how much you matter to me. You matter to me, okay? This channel wouldn't be what it is without you. You guys have been so amazing, especially the people that I've met in the last 30 days. You guys rock my socks, okay? It's been an incredible journey so far. I've learned so much from you guys, grown as a creator, and built this amazing community with your help. With your help, I was able to do this. Every milestone we hit, whether it's a new subscriber count or a comment that makes my day, guys, you always make my day. It's because of you, guys. It's because of you. Shout out to you. And while I'm so proud of how far we've come, I know this is just the beginning, guys. This is just the beginning. We're all the way up. We're going all the way to the top. The future is bright. The future is so bright for us, guys. And I'm so super duper excited for what's to come. I have so many ideas for content, and I can't wait to share them with you, with all of you. Together, we'll continue to create, connect, and grow. Yay! I'm always looking for ways to make this channel better for you. So stay tuned for even more exciting things ahead, guys. Super excited. Woo! Yay! To my subscribers and returning viewers, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, guys. You are more than just numbers to me, guys. You are more than just views to me. You are a part of this journey. You are a part of this family, guys. You are a part of my family, guys. Let's keep building something amazing together. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much for everything, guys. You inspire me to keep going, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you guys. So let's keep going. Let's keep growing, and let's keep making magic together, guys. Thank you all so much. Love you lots, guys. So super shout out to all of my beautiful and amazing friends. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are family, guys. Love you, love you, love you. So, guys, I have a notebook here. Shout out to Nemo for giving me this idea, guys, to write down the names in the shout out. So shout out to you, Nemo. Love you, Nemo. Shout out to him. Thank you, Nemo, for this. Really. Seriously, guys. So I got all my names wrote down. If I did not put you in this notebook, guys, please comment below on this video and say, hey, girl, I want to be in your next super shout out video, okay? Because I also do lives where I shout people out too. So just comment below. Say, hey, girl. Watch the video to the end. I appreciate it. Thank you. And just comment below and I'll add you to this book, guys, and I'll shout you out in each video for commenting. So if you like the video, watch the video, and you comment, you will end up in this book, and I will add you to the shout outs, guys, because we have to make a difference in each other's lives. We have to be a blessing to each other. So I just want to say thank you to you for always showing love to me, and I just return that love right back, okay? So teamwork makes the dream work. So let me open up my book, guys. I'm excited to do my shout outs. Give me a second. So this is my book, guys. Let me go to my shout out. So the first person on my shout out list, guys, is Nemo 504. Phenomenal Nemo. I love you, Nemo. Thank you for everything, Nemo. Creating Change Got Dandy. Draven Simmons, which is one of my top commenters. Thank you so much for always being a top commenter, Driven Draven. Okay, we got Wisdom Sparks Motivation. Shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for always being a top commenter. So community spotlight on you. Thank you so much. Angela Spencer 0573. We got KC Get Inspirational. Good morning. We got Nancy Green, guys. Nancy Green 5838. Nancy Green 5838. We got Keita's Journey. Mecca Joy. Nancy Green, I want to circle back to you because you are definitely one of my top commenters too. So shout out to Nancy Green, guys. Nancy Green 5838. Thank you so much for being a top commenter. Love you so much, Nancy Green. Love you, love you, love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, we got Melanated Beauty 68. We got Jackie Adams 673. We got Mocha's Moments Keisha. Shout out to you, Mocha's Moments Keisha. Thank you so much for being a top commenter. Spotlight is on Keisha. Yay. Thank you so much, girl, for being a top commenter. Boogie Time TV, Boogie Time. It's a boogie time. We got Life's a Journey TV. We got Blue Dominion Prayer Channel. We got Empowered Living, Positive Vibes Nat. We got Gabby Unscripted, Mama Bowman Living Life. We got Live Love Life with Nitya. Love you, Nitya. Kayla B.E. Fit Now. Love you, Kayla. You're such an inspiration, girl. Love you, girl. 50 Plus Life. We got Malika's Creation, Danny. We got Ellen Smile 001. Shout out to Steve. We got Meant to Be Marriage Makers. I Cherish Church. Bishop. Love you, Bishop. We got Resilient Queen. Love you, girl. We got Lashana Success. Love you, girl. VC Vibes. Vibing with VC. Let's vibe. Love her, y'all. We got 9 to 5er. S2K World Gaming. We got Daydream. DAYE_dream. We got The Life with Stacy, The Glam Life of Stacy. The Glam Life of Stacy. We got Auntie Mickey. Love you, Auntie Mickey. We got Star here. Tashmere. Love you, Tashmere. We got Sharon. CHARONRONN. CHARONRONN. Sharon, love you, girl. Love you so much, boo-boo. Humble Me Hype. We got Krista Flash. We got Cat Craft Green Eyes. Cat Craft Green Eyes. We got Shindy. We out. We got Little Queen 65. Hope this helped China. We got Diana's Dreams. Ghana, Africa Abound. We got This Little Shed of Mine. I'm gonna let it shine. Whoa. We got Anisha LTV. Love you, girl. Jackie Lane. Jamal Williams 2241. Love you, Jamal. God bless your brother. We got Tole Realtor. We got V's Authenticity. V's Authenticity. We got Tierra B. That's me naturally. Love you, Tierra B. Naturally. Love you, girl. Living after 50. Loyalty matters. Living after 50. Loyalty matters. We got L's Endeavors. We got Life Points with Rhonda 2968. We got Miss Do It Yourself. Love you, Adrian. We got RV Bliss. We got TNT Makeup LLC. We got Naturally Rose 86. We got Snapback Trishana, Snapback Coach. Love you, girl. We got Other Side of 50. We got RN2 CEO. Love you, mommy. Love you, girl. We got Mind Games. Love you, Mind Games. That's Todd. Love you, Mind Games. We got Connection of Lives and Interest 2020. Connection of Lives and Interest 2020. We got Beauty Ray Vlogs. Beauty Ray Vlogs. Love you, girl. Jamaica Allen, Miss Grasshopper. Anybody seen Miss Grasshopper? If y'all have, comment below. Miss Grasshopper, I miss you. I haven't seen you. Love you, Miss Grasshopper. We got Lois Roden 513, and she also has Lotus Roden God's Platform. And we have Shama's Corner. We have Chibuike Okeke. Chibuike. We got Cassie's Kitchen Creations. Say that fast. Cassie's Kitchen Creations. Love you, girl. Super congrats to you for almost getting monetized. You almost there, sister. Love you, girl. Great job. Woo, 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 woo. All right. Fit ELT Club. We got Serving God's People. Love you, Ben. And we got DBC Aquatics. DBC Aquatics. And we got She Go Fatso Michelle. We got Susan Pepper. We got Jamaican Queen Lifestyle. Jamaican Black Queen. We got Down the Road. Thank you, Down the Road. I believe that's James. We got Yasmin Atkinson 8281. We got Rising Phoenix. She spells it PHOEN 7X. We got Jules K World. We got Tricey TRICEY Love. Tricey Love 7026. We got Priceless Pear Life 08. We got Memoirs of a Redneck Barbie. We got Double Rose Twins Land. We got Paisley James. Love you, Paisley James. Sending lots of love, hugs, and good vibes your way. We got Vegan Kings Cooking and Games. Vegan Kings, y'all. We got Always Learning, 52 Infinity at least. We got King Explicit. We got The Source, 479. We got Oh So Ravishing. We got I Just Love to Cook. Love your channel, I Just Love to Cook. We got Motivated to Soar, Motivated, I think it's Motivated 2010, but she's Motivated to Soar. So shout out to you, mama. Love your channel. Great job. Dabby Bug. We got Notion Nouse. Is it Notion Nouse? 9786. So Notion, Nouse. Notion Nouse, 9786. It's Blissfully Renee. Blissfully Renee. We got Social Grant. And we got Follow Your Bliss Life. Follow Your Bliss Life. So thank y'all so much for stopping by. Thank y'all so much for always commenting. This is a shout out video. Shout out to subscribers for always showing love and support and watching my videos to the end. Thank y'all so much, guys. We are on the road to monetization. And I just want to say thank you for helping me get there, because I could not have done it without you. I want to give a shout out to God. So thank you, God. And I thank God for each and every one of y'all. God bless y'all so much. Love you lots, friends. You are amazing. You are the best. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Love you.